how to switch Roblox account on mobile and PC. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox website or application, and further make sure you must sign in. Now tap on the more option on the top left of your screen, and then tap on the logout option. You can see in the drop down menu and the pop-up that appears. Tap on the confirm button to confirm the logout action. After logging out, you will be taken to the Roblox login screen. Enter the username and password of the new account you want to log into, and then tap on the sign in button you see there, and with this you are now logged into the other account. So this is how you can switch account in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.